Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can hear, I'm sick. I am going to work today. Don't let the fact that I'm in bed mislead you. I'm 100% going to work. I just did not go to the gym this morning because when I'm sick, I don't like pushing my body to any sort of extreme. So I'm just gonna go and get ready and then I'm going to work. But I thought I'd just come on here and start the vlog. I feel kind of puffy and swollen, so I don't know how my makeup's gonna go. We'll see. So this week on the vlog I'm going to Fashion Week. I'm super duper excited. I also want to give you guys a quick look at my supplements. I might do an in-depth supplement video if you guys are interested, and yeah, I might do a couple of orders because some of the supplements that I bought them in like a very small size just to test them out, so I need to repurchase those. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this video. If you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because I always forget to say that later in the vlog because I get distracted. What's up guys, it is Tuesday and I'm partway through getting ready. The reason why I'm not doing a full face is because my nose and my mouth and pretty much this whole region, my muzzle, is extremely crepey, and I am going to Fashion Week tonight, and I'm not going to have that much time to get ready. So the least that I have to get ready later, well, the least that I have to take off later to get ready, the better, because I'm literally going to have 10 minutes to do my makeup for Fashion Week, which is like unfortunate because this is my first time at Fashion Week and I'd love to try and look really nice, but unfortunately with my life that's not going to be possible because basically on Tuesdays we don't normally have meetings, but we planned this one a while ago and I completely forgot about it when I said yes to Fashion Week. Before I go to work today, I wanted to show you my lunches for this week. So this is my lunches for Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow I have a course, so I'll probably get a Subway or something because there's a Subway near my course. I mean, there's a Subway near everything, and I'll take any excuse to have Subway. I usually get the chicken bacon ranch, although I don't get ranch dressing. So I get chicken bacon, I get cheese, I get chipotle, and I get barbecue sauce. And yes, I don't get any salad. Are you guys surprised? So this is gonna be my lunches. So I've got these mountain wraps, which I believe I've talked to you guys about before. I did actually vlog this meal, but I don't think I uploaded that vlog like you guys would have seen in my recent video. I haven't even filmed that yet, so I don't even know what it's gonna look like. Anyway, I got the rice ones. They have 69 calories and 15.3 grams of carbs per wrap, and I'm not like super low carb, I just like minimizing my carbs, I don't know. Anyway, and then in here I've got 3 servings of 40 grams of cheese, and then in this container, I don't really want to flip it, but there's pesto on one side and my phone's going off, great, and that's sour cream on the other side with pesto oil in it, which is just delightful. And I'm just gonna mix like half and half of that to make like the base sauce for my wraps, and it'll last me the whole week. So it's 40 grams of cheese per day. And then for the chicken, I really like this brand of like shredded lunch ready chicken, Santa Rosa. I don't know what it is about this one. It's nice and flavoursome, it's a good size, so I'll just like divide this into thirds. Guys, I'm so stressed trying to get ready for Fashion Week. I should have left like 5 minutes ago. While we're in here, this is my outfit. So I'm just wearing like a plain white tee. I can't decide whether, look how yellow this looks compared to the new white. I haven't decided whether I want to like tuck it in. Actually, that looks kind of cute. And I'm just wearing these new, probably gonna fall, these new jeans that I got from Kmart. Beauty on a budget, y'all. This outfit cost me $27 plus this, which is like $100, but yeah, it's just my real basic outfit. Seeing as I'm walking alone, and I may as well just talk to myself because who even cares at this point, I was in Kmart for literally 10 minutes. I like ran and got this white shirt, got these jeans, tried them on, picked another shirt because the first one was ugly, and then like full speed ran out. Like, I can hear somebody caning it through this thing, jeez Louise. But yeah, I was like in Kmart for 10 minutes, it was unheard of. But $27 for an outfit is not bad. We found filet mignon. Oh, it's terrible lighting. Steak on a stick. This is Alicia, by the way. Yay! She was ages ago on my vlogs. Haven't seen her in a while. Again. Wow, steak. So good.
I'm gonna like eat it one roll.
I'm not gonna vlog, I won't vlog you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those ones are a bit interesting with my...
Try with it.
Just had a quick look through the goodie bag. Alicia's having the time of her life.
Shots.
This is what it looks like in here. For those of you other plebs who've never been to Fashion Week like myself, this is very exciting. Took like a billion photos on this cute swing. I'll put mine in here. It's just another champagne room. It's very, very cute. I thought I would just show you what was in my goodie bag. So the first thing, this wasn't actually in the goodie bag. This was just from OPI, which is so sweet. It's the full Peru collection and these polishes are so beautiful. Really excited to try those. Then in the baggie, we've got a little makeup bag. A Sano Duo hair care pack. Wants to focus. Why are you not focusing? Oh yeah, it's just basically got a shampoo and a conditioner. We've got an exfoliator by Asano Rosehip as well. I've got some stuff from KMS. Got the hairspray, I'm assuming. And the Add Volume Liquid Dust, which I've never tried anything like that before. I'm excited about these. I'm totally taking these on me with my course. They're the smushed protein balls from Tasty. Salted caramel and almond. I'll put those over there because I'm about to take them with me. A natural energy drink, which I don't know how I feel. Like, we'll try it, but I've tried one from V before and it was interesting to say the least. We've got a little bag of pineapple lumps, some craisins, and then some gum. And then last but not least, we've got some Jaeger, yes, and this Grin natural toothpaste and an OPI polish, which this colour is so pretty. It's called Hopelessly Devoted to OPI. Honestly, this camera is the biggest piece of doo-doo. That's what we got in the goodie bags. So it's a very nice spread. I'm quite excited. A really quick review on my Jaybird Freedom 2s that I have. I haven't tried any other headphones, so I can't be like, oh, they're the best. But they are exactly what I want. Like, I don't know if you guys can see when I put them in. I haven't worn them in a couple of days, so forgive me if I can't put them in perfectly. They fit so perfectly in my ears. It's like unreal how well they fit. Even my ear with the piercing, they fit in like amazingly. I feel like I'm so stinky. It's not nice. Anyway, I just finished at the gym. I also just went to the supermarket by my gym and I got some Greek yogurt and I got some stuff for dinner because we're having like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'll have to show you guys because it's real yum. It's essentially just like crumbed chicken in rolls with like halloumi cheese and like, oh my god, it's so good. So I'm gonna be having that tonight for dinner. This was the dinner I was gonna vlog for you guys, but I forgot. But basically I have it on like one bun cut in half, but I've got sour cream, halloumi cheese, sriracha. I have been so obsessed with this mask, you guys. I've done it like a couple of times recently. It is the, I can't kneel down, my legs will break, the Skin Food Rice Mask Wash Off. Actually, I might kneel down. Oh god, my legs are so sore today. It's just like, if you guys can see, it's like a real chunky mask. I really like it. It's like hydrating, but the little bits of rice give like a nice gentle exfoliation, I should say. Yeah, it's kind of what it looks like. I'll show you once it's all over. This is it all over. It's like really chunky and hydrating. I really, really like it. I look like an egg and I love it. I've got my gold coin donation for the Cancer Society and I actually love this jumper. I got it from Cotton On. It's actually like I feel very like veggie because obviously they're like, this is a crop. I didn't realize it was a crop, but I don't know, do I look too vegilicious? What do we think? I'm wearing it anyway, but just wearing it with a sports bra because when I had my actual bra, which I never wear normal bras, but I wore one the other day when I went shopping, and it looked real weird because my boobs don't fit any of my bras anymore, and I actually hate bras, so I just wear sports bras every day because they give me good support and they're just way smoother, and my boobs look flatter, which to be honest I prefer for school. I don't like my boobs looking massive, and they also spill over the top because my boobs used to be too big and now they're too small, and now my bras don't fit me because my boobs have shrunk, and I am so happy about it because they were literally overly humongous. Now they're manageably large. I don't even know how to start this segment, but basically I have been asking a particular company to come to New Zealand for ages. I'm that person who's been messaging them, asking them to come to New Zealand. I'm sorry, I'm really puffed. I've been running around the house trying to get ready to film this. And I messaged them not too long ago actually, while I was talking to somebody about this particular product. And I was like, when are you coming? They were like, soon. And I was like, BS, because you always say that. But then a couple of days ago, I saw a Halo top, which is an ice cream brand. I saw a New Zealand page and I was like, no, it must be fake. It must be fake. There's no way. And then basically, 2 days ago, I found out that it was legit and it was coming to New Zealand. So I called this particular supermarket because I knew that they would have it because it was in New World. And it's one of the ones that are closer to me. So I called them on Wednesday and they were like, it's coming in on Friday. So then now it's Friday. I called them. They said, yes, we've got it. So I went there after work and I got 2 tubs of Halo Top ice cream. And if you guys have seen my vlogs when I've been in Australia, you guys will know how much I enjoy Halo Top. Long story short, this is not sponsored. I wish it honestly was because I would love some free ice cream. So Halo Top, if you're watching, feel free to send me some tubs. But it is high protein, low calorie ice cream. The supermarket that I went to only had 3 tubs, 2 of this and 1 of this. I don't know if there's more flavors, but I've never tried either of these, so we're going to taste test them now. And the peanut butter cup is 320 calories. I think we're going to start with the peanut butter cup because I'm less excited about this one. So that's what we're met with. Now the reason why I like this is because it actually tastes divine. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like actually creamy. So this is peanut butter cup. I'm so happy. By the way, they're $12 per tub, which is obviously expensive, but I'm happy to pay that because that's $6 per dessert, because I'll probably eat this in 2 sittings. And it's like, so in a quarter of a tub, there's 5 grams of protein, 3.5 fat, and 14 carbs. So I'm quite excited. That was way nicer than I thought it was going to be. Not like my favorite flavor. I've also tried birthday cake and salted caramel. I think I'm really excited for candy bar, so we're going to try that one. I'd give this one a 7 out of 10. Oh, I'm so excited for candy bar. This better be good, honestly. This better be good. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what candy bar it's supposed to be, but it's got like caramel and peanuts on the outside. Oh! Oh, it's chunky and it's got ripple. Okay. Oh my god. I'm like borderline emotional about how good this is. I think this might be my favorite flavor that I've tried from Halo Top. I don't know if you guys can see. There's like a little bit of peanut in there. So verdict is, if you like peanut butter, you'll like this, but if you like chocolate or anything, you'll probably like this one. Oh my god, so good. They're normally not this soft when you take them out of the freezer, by the way. I just had like a really long drive to get home because there was traffic and I had to go there and back. This is our dinner for tonight. My camera's real blurry, but it's snapper? Is it snapper? Snapper.
It's fish, mate.
I know it's fish, but I think it's snapper and some rice. Probably won't eat all of that rice. I'm like not into rice at the moment unless it's got curry drizzled all over it. and lemon, which I'll probably just eat because lemon is life. So I just opened this. It actually arrived, it was supposed to arrive like last week, but I had to re-deliver it because the postie wouldn't leave it. But it is from Dermalogica, and it's like a single-use peel. So you can get, oh, it's 10. So you get 10 of them in a travel bag for $159. It comes out in about a week from now. So I'll definitely try these out. They've sent me 3. There was actually a really cute like peel off thing. And it was just like saying if you have a special occasion, it's a good excuse to use these. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I will definitely vlog it when I do try it. But thank you so much, Dermalogica. So it is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really quickly before I go, I wanted to show you guys my new Allbirds in the box because I'm about to put them on and wear them, which means they're probably going to get thrashed. Let me show you. So if you guys are a regular watcher of the vlogs, you'll know that I love Allbirds, which are New Zealand made, well, New Zealand designed natural shoes. And these are the tree runners, which, there you go, that describes to you. They're made out of trees. And I'm so excited, you guys. This is in the shade Peacock. My camera's actually picking it up pretty well. It's not blue so much, it's green. These are in the shade Peacock, so they're the tree runners in the peacock color, and you need to go down a size, you guys. I'm normally an 8 in Allbirds, but I went down to a 7, and I'm so excited to wear these. These are $160, but I tell you, these are the best shoes, like way better than any Nikes that I've worn. I haven't actually tried Adidas, but better than any Nikes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I tried to make the vlog a little bit less wordy and a little bit more doing things-y, but I don't know how that came across, so let me know if you have anything that you want me to talk about in the vlogs. Like, I might do like a topic each vlog of stuff that you guys want me to talk about. And yeah, I hope that you guys have an awesome day. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!